Back in the day, the neon sign with a bucking bronco lit up the highway, calling out to weary travelers rolling west. Erick was a hot stop along 66, and the West Winds stood out as one of the town's proudest motor courts. But when the interstate came, traffic thinned, and by the early 90s, the motel closed its doors. Today, it's actually a private residence, though its bones still whisper Route 66 history. The good news? In 2004, it landed on the National Register of Historic Places, and just recently, Oklahoma awarded funds to restore that iconic neon Bronco. So next time you cruise through Erick, keep your eyes peeled. The West Winds Motel may not check you in anymore, but it's still keeping the spirit of the Mother Road alive.